Today we've got a 2015 model Toyota RAV4. It's got the 2.2 diesel engine and roughly 83,000 miles on the clock. If you're getting a message on the dashboard saying vehicle maintenance required or service soon, and you've just serviced the car, I'm going to run you through the procedure to reset it. Right, so I've just serviced this vehicle. It hasn't got a warning on the dashboard, but from what I understand, you would either get a light up here saying maintenance required, or a message in the window regarding service soon. But I'll run you through the procedure to reset it, as hasn't come up yet because the vehicle's come in slightly early for its service. All you will need is the stop start button down here and the trip reset button. Right, so I shall switch the ignition on, which is press the button twice. You need to go through the menu until you find trip A. That was it just now, down the bottom there. Just keep pressing the reset button. Trip A. Now I'll turn off the ignition with the stop start button. Press and hold the trip reset button and put the ignition back on, which is 2 clicks. And then it says resetting oil maintenance data. And that's it, all done for another year. Thanks for watching. If you find our videos helpful, please hit like and subscribe to help us out. Nice one.